whoever's gonna use this sound can get these brain rots, okay? So first place gets Los Cucarachas with blood rot, bubblegum mutation, and Mexican mutation. And then, not that, because I need that for my viewers. And then second place gets Lost Spooky Combinations. Okay. And then third place gets Lost Combinations. And then fourth place gets Swag Soda. Fifth place gets Lost Mobiles. Sixth place gets Lost Know My Hotspots. Seventh place gets Candy 67. And then I forgot what place I'm on. And then ninth place gets Quesadilla Crocodilla with 2 admin treats, Neon and Mexican. And then ninth place gets, no idea how to sound that out, but this. And then 10th place gets Quesadilla Crocodilla. I don't know what trait. And then Fire trait. And then I don't know what trait that is, and then it's Rainbow. And then 11th place gets this. And 12th place gets this. So yeah, use the sound to get all those brain rots.